Inside of our 48-inch built-in French door refrigerator, we do have an internal water dispenser. We have it inside of here because we want it to be very clean and sleek on the outside of the refrigerator. Our signature view lighting. We hide our lights underneath the shelves to focus the attention on what you actually are storing inside of the refrigerator. Both of these drawers, where our freezer capacity is located, but it's what this drawer does for the customer. This is a convertible drawer. So customers have the flexibility to use this as a freezer, a refrigerator, a beverage center. You can also set the temperature to chill your wine. With this drawer over here, you're gonna get a dual ice maker system that makes our frustrum ice cubes, as well as our unique craft ice. The uniqueness behind this type of sphere is that it's slow melting. It's not gonna change the natural flavor of your beverage. So it's great for a cocktail, it's great for lemonade or even your iced coffee, and you don't have to worry about the natural flavor changing. If you wanna experience the first 48-inch French door built-in refrigerator in person, head to Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in Calabasas, Studio City, Torrance, Costa Mesa, and Santa Clarita.